Come hike in hammock with me. Here I am in the great Smoky Mountains in Tennessee. I've got my yarn is calling and I must go shirt on. I have my project bag with my yarn in it. Brought my hammock, my water bottle, and you know, the yarn is calling, the mountains are calling, and I must go. Just gonna see if I can find a really great place to hammock by the water, and I'll also crochet. Wish me luck on finding a spot. Things like this get me really anxious, like I have to find the perfect spot where I can't hear any cars, people aren't gonna bother me, and there has to be 2 trees that are great set apart, and the view has to be great, and it's like a stressful experience. So I'm gonna try to not make it a stressful experience. I'm just gonna try to set up my hammock and get crocheting and enjoy my time out here. I'll keep you updated as I go along. Don't fall. Ooh, it's pretty back here. I found a cute little mushroom. Okay, I think I found my spot. You think those 2 trees will work for my hammock? Let's try to set it up.
Now that the hammock was all set up, I was able to pull out my yarn and start working on my project. I brought with me my Nordic Star crochet-along blanket. This might look familiar to some of you. Did any of you participate in this crochet-along with me? Designing this blanket and crocheting it up in time for the fall was a little work, so I was so excited that I was able to come out to the Smoky Mountains, sit down in my hammock, and crochet in the fresh air. This was such a delight. Of course, I couldn't crochet the whole time. I had to enjoy the views around me and also have a little snack. The fresh air of the mountains and the sound of the bubbling streams almost lulled me to sleep, so I think it was about time to get going. But first, some shots for social media. Gotta pose with my project in my hammock. Woohoo!
I'm headed back to my car. Such a good time crocheting. I finished up my next section of the CAL, and I have to pause because now I need to go and take pictures of that in the spot where I take pictures at my house. Bring any other projects? Left my book in the car. So I'm just gonna go back, and I hope to be doing this more often. So I want to challenge you. Go out and crochet in nature. Go out to a national park or go just to the local park, wherever. Go out, enjoy nature, grab your hook, your yarn, and start making something. Leave me a comment below with where do you like to crochet outside? Do you like to go to public places to crochet? Do you crochet at the park? Do you crochet in a national park? Do you crochet outside at a coffee shop? Let me know where. I'd love to know. Give me some new ideas of where I can take my yarn and my hook. Hey, you guys are the best. Please go ahead and like this video so that other people can find it. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I like to post videos like this, some vlogs, some podcasts, stitch tutorials, things like that. All sorts of yarn-related content. So make sure you subscribe and then hit that little bell so you're notified anytime I come out with any other videos. You guys have a fabulous day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!